Hello, so to answer this question, I have here two pieces, one knitted with fuzzy yarn and one knitted with acrylic yarn or cotton yarn. As you can see this is the right side and this is the wrong side. You can see the pattern, and with fuzzy yarn, here is garner stitch, so you can see that comes sometimes something like ribs, but you cannot count how many stitches are here. And for example, here where you have wrong side or right side, you can't see exactly if this is your right side or this is your right side. You cannot understand or see. So I recommend for beginners to start with cotton yarn like this one and not with fuzzy yarn. Fuzzy yarn you can knit, it's not that hard, it's not hard to knit fuzzy yarn, but you cannot see which is the wrong side or which is the right side, like in cotton. Cotton gives you the possibility, and for beginners is very good to have this possibility to see, yes, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. Here is my pattern. Here with fuzzy yarn you can't see which is your right side or wrong side. If you see, it's the same, it's no difference. So I recommend for beginners that want to learn how to knit cotton yarn, because you can see where you make a mistake and you can learn and frog it and learn again.